Palm Springs, California. When we went to California to drive the 2018 Subaru WRX Type RA, the Japanese automaker let us have a turn another tuned display, the 2018 BRZ TS. The additional letters remaining for tuned by ST, the people at Subaru Technica International gave a warming over to the organization's sole back-wheel drive advertising. Strangely, the whole 2018 BRZ lineup profits by having the TS at the highest point of the pack. One of the enhancements for the ST-tuned variant is expanded suspension unbending nature. To represent the additional weight on the body from its 18-inch wheels, the first run-through wheels that vast have been offered on the BRZ, the front-end raised bulkheads were reinforced. That additional help advances into each BRZ, however, not only the TS. Elite to the TS are various different parts to give more responsive dealing with. Lift the hood, and you'll discover the BRZ's typical swagger pinnacle props shot corner to the cowl in the motor compartment. This V-bar, as Subaru alludes to it, incorporates a cushion ball on each support that enables keep up unbending nature while diminishing vibrations. Subaru likewise guarantees the ST exclusive innovation lessons, urates and animates the reaction to directing sources of info. Moreover, adaptable draw stiffeners connect the front suspension cross member to the front subcasing to additionally enhance reaction to driver inputs. At the corners, the BRZ TS's lightweight 18-inch wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, chosen by Subaru after broad testing with the ST body tuning. Pulling up behind the 15 torque edges are an arrangement of Brembo brakes obtained from the BRZ performance package. Entwining everything is an arrangement of ST-tuned springs and Sachs dampers, which decrease move by 18% and pitching by 15%. Outwardly, the BRZ TS gets some useful streamlined upgrades, and additionally some planned prompts to separate it tastefully. In advance is an underspoiler to diminish lift, and ST cherry blossom red intonations around the grille. In the back, it gets an underspoiler, a guard cover with more red accents, in addition to an emotional dry carbon raised wing. That huge seat, similar to that on the WRX Type RA, is customizable to two positions to accomplish the correct harmony amongst drag and downforce. Subaru says it's powerful at speed more than 50 miles for each hour. Additionally, on the outside, it gets front and back TS badging, dark mirror covers and a dark rooftop reception apparatus. The haze lights are gone, supplanted by ST mist light covers. Like the ST Type RA, the BRZ TS is restricted to three paint shading choices: WR Blue Pearl, Crystal Black Silica and Crystal White Pearl. Inside, the dark cowhide and Alcantara upholstery highlights red sewing and the TS logo weaved on the seat backs. Red safety belts coordinate the cherry blossom red articulations found all through the inside. The TS gets its own particular instrument bunch, finish with a multi-function show acquired from the BRZ Limited that can demonstrate various diverse execution readouts, including sidelong G-power, quickening agent, and braking power, and a stopwatch, among others. At $34,355, it doesn't have all the earmarks of being an execution deal at first look. A base BRZ begins at a MSRP of $26,455, and offers precisely the same. All things considered, a BRZ Limited with the discretionary performance package and underspoilers costs $32,594. That incorporates more extensive 17-inch wheels, a Brembo brake bundle, and Sachs execution dampers. In this way, for under $2,000, the BRZ TS offers facilitate suspension tuning, 18-inch wheels, those to a great degree grippy tires, and that movable back wing in the back. That is over the superior inside highlights offered in the limited trim. Moreover, the TS really satisfies the constrained part, as just 500 units will be offered in the US. Since the additional footing is justified regardless of the cost of affirmation, the eliteness is a decent reward. While the offer of the Type RA over a completely stacked ST is sketchy, the BRZ TS is an unmistakable champ in the event that you can get your hands on one.